A man's tongue is what gives away his true character, not his clothes, not his wealth, not his title. Watch how someone speaks, and you will know exactly who they are. These are not the quotes you've seen 1,000 times. These are the words Hazrat Ali spoke that most people never hear, and the last one will stay with you forever. A man's tongue is what gives away his true character, not his clothes, not his wealth, not his title. Watch how someone speaks, and you will know exactly who they are. Do not feel lonely on the road to the truth just because few people walk it. And do not feel comforted on the road to falsehood just because many people walk it. Silence is the best answer to someone who does not deserve your words. Not every question deserves a response, and not every person deserves an explanation. The one who knows himself knows his Lord. Self-knowledge is the beginning of all wisdom, and without it, no other knowledge truly matters. Your friend is not the one who flatters you. Your friend is the one who tells you the truth, even when it is hard to hear.
Be careful of the person who was once your enemy and then suddenly became your friend. The snake that shed its skin is still a snake. Patience has two forms: patience over what hurts you and patience in staying away from what tempts you. Both require courage. Both build character. Knowledge is a shield. Truthfulness is might. Ignorance is poverty. Understanding is wisdom. And the greatest poverty is the poverty of the mind. Every person you meet knows something you don't. Humility is the willingness to learn even from those beneath you in rank, wealth, or age. The worth of a man is measured by what he pursues. Tell me what you spend your time on, and I will tell you exactly who you are. Do not be a slave to others when Allah has made you free. Your dignity is not for sale, regardless of what price they offer. Beware of the person who smiles at your face and stabs you in the back. They are more dangerous than an open enemy because you never see them coming. The mind is like a field. If you do not plant good seeds in it, weeds will grow there on their own. What you allow into your mind becomes your reality. Forgive people not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Carrying resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. The eyes see what they look for, and the mind finds what it expects. Change what you look for, and you will be amazed by what you start to find. A generous person is close to Allah, close to people, close to paradise, and far from hellfire. A miser is far from all of these. When you cannot find peace in a place, in a relationship, or within yourself, do not force it. Forced peace is not peace, it is suppression. The most powerful among you is the one who controls his anger, and the wisest among you is the one who thinks before he speaks. People sleep, and when they die, they wake up. Live your life in such a way that when death wakes you, you are not shocked by what you find. A moment of patience in a moment of anger saves you 1,000 moments of regret. The fire of anger burns the one who holds it first. Your wealth will not go with you when you die, but your deeds will. Plant seeds today that will bear fruit long after you are gone. Do not let someone's beautiful appearance blind you to their true character. The most beautiful things in the world are often the most dangerous. The person who thinks before acting will rarely regret his actions, but the person who acts before thinking will spend his life apologizing. Speak only when your words are more powerful than your silence. Most things that are said would have been better left unsaid. The believer looks at the world as a traveler looks at a hotel. He uses it for the night, but knows it is not his home and does not become attached to it. Whoever fights with his own ego and wins has won a battle greater than any battle fought with armies and swords. Do not judge a person by the opinions of others. Meet them, know them, form your own view. People are more than the stories told about them. The true friend is one who stands by you in your hardship, not the one who is with you only when things are easy and comfortable. Eat less and you will be healthier. Speak less and you will be wiser. Sleep less and you will be more alive. Want less and you will be richer. The greatest of all wisdom is this: know who you are, know what you are here for, know what you are building toward. A man without purpose is a ship without a compass.